Stop newing up classes all over your codebase. A factory is just a function that returns an object, config in a ready-to-use thing out. And you already use it everywhere. Document.createElement, React hooks, the Fetch API. Stay for that. JS Patterns. Episode 9. Here's the problem. Without a factory, every caller news up the object and wires it by hand, new logger, then set the level, set the prefix, configure the transport. That construction logic gets copy-pasted everywhere, and the moment you change how a logger is built, you're editing 20 call sites. Plus new, and this bring their own footguns. A factory fixes it. One function owns construction. You call createLogger with a config object, and it hands back a finished logger. No new, know this. The internals are captured in a closure, so they're private by default. There's no class, nothing to leak. Here's the factory. createLogger takes a level and prefix, computes a threshold once, and closes over it. It returns an object of methods, debug, info, warn, error, that all share that private threshold. Callers get a clean object. The wiring lives in exactly one place. The same shape scales to anything. createApiClient takes a base URL and auth and returns get, post, put del. Notice fetch is a parameter with a default, so in a test you pass a fake fetch and the whole client is mockable. Config in, a tailored object out, dependencies swappable. That's the whole pattern. But there's a cost. Every object a factory returns gets its own copy of those methods. There's no shared prototype like a class has. For a handful of instances, who cares? For 10,000, that's a lot of duplicate functions in memory. That's Flyweight territory. Reach for a class. And you lose instanceof. A factory isn't a type. And the payoff. You already use this everywhere. Document.createElement is a factory. React's useState returns a configured tuple. The Fetch API, your ORM's model creators, higher-order helpers like a withRetries that returns a wrapped function, all factories. The test, if a function takes config and hands back a ready object or closure, it's a factory. So stop scattering new across your code. A function that returns an object is a factory, config in, instance out, construction in one place. Beyond code karma. See you in the next pattern.